Okay, 30 seconds or less. I'm going to show you how to protect your document with a password. So I've already saved this document to my desktop somewhere. It has to be a saved document, and you want to make sure that your document is saved as an XLSX, like as an Excel workbook. It cannot be a CSV. So if your Excel document has CSV, change it right here and resave it. Okay, so in order to get a password on it, you go to File, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password, and you'll type your password twice. If you forget your password, there's not a way to retrieve it. So use a common password like the one that we use for most things. Now that you're done with that, you click through it, you typed it in twice, pushed enter twice. You'll just want to click Save. And then next time you open it up, you'll have to type in that same password that you used. Like to reiterate, if it's not saving the password, I would always check the file extension. It's likely a CSV, not an Excel workbook. Thanks so much, guys. Hope this was helpful.